In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft OneNote. If you're ready to remove OneNote from your PC, here's the cleanest and most reliable way to do it using your system settings. Start by clicking the Start menu. This opens the place where you can access all of your apps and system tools. From here, go into Settings. If you don't see it right away, you can type Settings into the search bar next to the Start menu to open it quickly. Inside Settings, select Apps. This is where Windows manages everything you've installed. Next, choose Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this may be labeled Apps and Features, but it's the same section that lists everything currently on your machine. Now use the search box in the Installed Apps list and type OneNote. This helps you find it instantly without scrolling. You might see more than one entry, such as OneNote or OneNote for Windows 10, or a OneNote component that came with Microsoft 365. That's normal. Decide which OneNote app you want to remove. Click the OneNote entry to expand it, then choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Go ahead and confirm. If you're prompted for permission by Windows or by your organization, approve the request to continue. The uninstaller will run, and in a moment, OneNote will be removed from your computer. A quick note on what this action does and does not do: uninstalling OneNote removes the application from your PC, but it does not delete your notebooks stored in the cloud, such as those saved to OneDrive or SharePoint. The next time you sign in to OneNote on a different device or in a web browser, your notes will still be there. If you had any notebooks saved only on your local drive, they remain as files unless you choose to delete them separately. If you searched for OneNote and didn't find it, that simply means it's not currently installed or it's managed by your organization and may appear under a different name. Also, if you had OneNote pinned to your taskbar or Start, those shortcuts will disappear once the app is uninstalled. Occasionally, you might still see a ghost icon until you restart, which is normal and will resolve itself. And that's it. By going to Settings, opening Apps, finding OneNote, choosing Uninstall, and confirming, you've successfully removed Microsoft OneNote from your computer.